Okay, we're recording now. So this camera catches the bathroom bed. Okay, what did we just do? We're recording in a loop. Huh. Anyhow, this camera catches the bathroom bed. Okay, today is December 13th, 2018. I did not think I would get to paint today, but yes, I will be able to paint today. It rained last night instead of today, so that's good. And it is 78 degrees in here, 67% humidity. A little more humid than I would like for painting, but it's okay. The temperature is good. It still looks like it could rain. But, you know, I gotta get painting. So what I'm gonna do is put another coat of paint on the door. I just did another coat of paint. I can still see the water line. I'm just not gonna worry about it. That's, you know, I think the only thing I could do is prime it again and paint it again, but I don't want to do all that. And start priming. We're getting there, folks. I see some spots I missed, but it doesn't matter because it's inside of a closet. So, there you go. Got this much more to go, and then, I don't know, maybe I'll start on the inside of that one before I start on the walls. The walls won't take me much time, I hope. Inside of the bigger cabinet in the bedroom. Awesome. And then the inside of those next. And the interior of the cabinets will have their first coat. I might do a second coat on the ones that look kind of funky. Okay, the inside of the cabinets are all painted. In the bedroom. And wasn't too sure what to do with these things, but I'm going to take them off. No. Alrighty then. Well, that takes care of that. Let's just fix his head. I don't know what I would do with him. But they're old and pretty bad shape, so there. That answers that. I could make some kind of plates or put some kind of lights in there. You can see. Hi. See my shadow. Okay, so I got a coat of paint on the bedroom. I've been in here for a while because I was determined to get at least one coat on. And I hit that goal. And I'm using a headlamp because I really want to get this job finished. So I'm going to have to call it a day. This wall, I don't know. It's pretty well damaged from that velvety crap that was put on it. I'm sorry. The velvety material that was put on it. And, you know, it really weakened the wall when I tore it all off. So I think that this bottom level will only get one coat. And I'll continue to put another coat on this end, and of course along that wall. But I think I'm going to find something to put over that wall, like wainscot or something. I don't know. I'll find something because, and it's pretty well damaged under this window too. That stuff just didn't come off right. It just doesn't look right. So I'm just, I figure it's best just to find something to border the wall with. So anyhow, yeah, it's been a long, long day. And it is now 67 degrees in here, and it is time to call it a night. So thanks for watching another episode. I am thrilled that I got at least one coat of paint on the bedroom today. I had to put in a lot of hours to get it done, but we got it done. Catch y'all later. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments and your support and your likes. I really, really, truly appreciate y'all. So live the life you love, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye-bye.